The Honourable Leader of the Official Opposition.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. We speak often in this House about the special aspects of islandness, and while countless words have been spoken on the topic, it remains an elusive concept to capture in all of its unique splendour. One thing that is central for those defining what it means to live here is the strong sense of community we all feel. Our commitment to collective well-being is displayed in all kinds of ways, pitching in during the harvesting of your neighbour's crop, the generous fundraisers to help neighbours in need, and the strong volunteer organisations that stretch across our province from North Cape to East Point. It's an interesting observation that societies with strong community bonds have done much better responding to the COVID-19 pandemic than those where rugged individualism and rigid independence dominate. It seems that social cohesion makes for community resilience. Over the past few months, we've all made enormous sacrifices to halt the virus in its tracks here on Prince Edward Island. But we cannot live in perpetual lockdown, and opening up presents new and sometimes difficult challenges. We must realise that we cannot expect to keep our island COVID-free indefinitely, but must instead respond quickly and effectively to suppress any outbreaks before there is community spread. The first test of our readiness arrived this past weekend, and the response of the Public Health Office has been stellar. The testing and tracing protocols and capacity, which are the most critical elements for successfully suppressing any outbreak, have shown themselves to be up to the task. And although none of us will be able to breathe completely easily until the second round of testing at Whisperwood has been completed, I still want to praise and thank the CPHO for their exemplary work, and especially Dr. Morrison for her dedication, her compassion, and continued leadership. This outbreak has given us an opportunity to review our response and to determine if there are better ways to reduce risks and to improve our responses. It has also provided a timely reminder that we must continue to come together whilst staying apart. And I urge all of us to maintain physical distancing, to wash our hands, to limit our contacts, and to think about wearing a mask in public spaces where distancing is not possible. The mask is not for yourself, but it's an act of love for those among us who are vulnerable and need us all to make small sacrifices to control and restrict the presence of COVID in our community. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.